At Jacksonville State University, unlimited access to LinkedIn Learning is made available to students, faculty, and staff. This educational resource can be accessed at all times through a computer, tablet, or a mobile device. This is how you sign up. There are two ways to access your LinkedIn Learning account. The first option is through a computer. Log into your MyJSU account. On the left side of the home page, click on the LinkedIn Learning logo. The second option is through the MyJSU mobile app. Tap the menu. Under Student Services, click the LinkedIn Learning tab. These two options will redirect you to the LinkedIn Learning webpage. Fill out personal profile information and begin registering for course material guides. Budget time, network with users, and learn on the go with your LinkedIn Learning account.